So here's how to use Bitunix Transfer Money. If you haven't signed up for Bitunix yet, you can click on my link down in the description or use my referral code ZBQK for additional rewards. First of all, head over to Assets on the top and select Asset Overview. Here, you'll be able to see your assets on the top as total assets. Now, if you look over to the top right, you will get to see an option for transfer. Click on Transfer. Now, all you need to do is select the From and To. And as you can see, I've selected USDT M account to spot account. After you're done selecting it, you need to set the coin, which is USDT. Now, you need to enter the quantity that you want to transfer. So select this box and type it in. You can also click on All if you want to transfer all the funds. And once you're done, just click on Submit and your funds will be transferred instantly. And that is how you use Bitunix Transfer Money. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.